Alright, YouTube, let's do a quick opening today. It is Sunday when I should be posting this. Can we get something that's not so bright? Yeah, that's close enough. Close enough. What is up, YouTube? Quick video for you today. I got a bunch of freaking packs from the Dollar Tree again. This one had every type of pack I could possibly find. So we start off over here with the Sun and Moon Unified Minds. Then we hit up that Cosmic Eclipse. Regular Sun and Moon. There was only 2 packs left of that. I grabbed it anyways. Then there's the Lost Thunder and the Celestial Storm. So we're going to start right in the middle here. Quick video for you. Let's get to opening. Or not opening. Let's get to struggling again. Struggling to open packs. Bam. These come with absolutely nothing, so that's trash over there. And we flip this around, hitting you with that Growlithe right off the bat, the Poppley, and a Pinsir. And I don't expect to get anything from this, so bear with me here, and maybe hopefully I'll get lucky. But it's always fun opening them up. Whatever, I'm just opening them up how they are. Trash can they go. There's that Paris, a Toucannon, and an Alolan Raticate. Look at his fat chubby cheeks. And more trash. Everybody loves the trash cards. Alright, we'll hit up Cosmic Eclipse now. I think I only got a couple of these packs, so this one will be quick too. Can we get something good? Magmite, Eevee, and a Pignite. And my favorite, some trash. Trash. You're not trash. Oops, someone's car alarm's going off. A T-Pig. Look at that, he's even got his Pokeball next to him. An Alolan Sandshrew. And a Torkoal. And guess what? Trash. More trash. How much trash can you get? Can you give me all the trash? New video idea. Opening trash. Opening trash. Magnemite. A Dragog. That's a really cool one. And a Lileep. That's a rare card there. The Dragog. But still nothing. Let's get to moving. Let's see if I can keep it under 10 minutes. Rufflet, Oddish, and a Pangaroo. And trash. Sucks there's only 3 cards in here, so. Ralts. Man, this light is really getting on my nerves. What happens if I just turn it off? Whoa, you can't see nothing. Just some shiny lights. Look at that, you can see my hand moving around. How bright can we get it? Sure, okay, that's good enough. Ralts. Sandygast, and an Energy, and some trash. Sorry for everyone about this lighting. I'm going to go with the Lost Thunder next. Almost hit you with that Unified Minds, but I think I'm going to save those for last. And still nothing. We've gotten nothing out of these. Oh, look at this. I'm just getting the film on the outside. What fun. What fun it is. Oh my gosh. Got it. Whoa, check out that. It's a Chansey. And a Snubble. And a Kilikian. And you know what it is. Your boy, the trash. I shouldn't be open this way, but... Mareep. Alolan Vulpix energy card. Did end up pulling the first Charizard out of these Dollar Tree packs when I was facing my brother in 2 episodes ago, I think it was. Hopefully you guys watched. Alolan Meowth, Yamask, and a Delibird. Dilly bird. He said the bird. The bird is the word. That's gonna get copyrighted. Trash. A Chikorita. A Smeargle. Another energy. Sooner or later, if I collect enough, I'm gonna have to start getting rid of them. Might have to start putting them up. Trico. A Ho-Oh, but it's not a shiny, or it's not a hollow or reverse hollow. That really sucks. Ho-Oh. Ho-Oh. On to the next one. What are we at? Oh, shoot, we're at 7 minutes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish this in 10. Onyx. Clamperl. Energy card. A Beldum, an Alolan Rattata, and a Copycat. Getting some good common cards. But common cards are not cool. Flip that around. We got a Torchic. Hey, a Swampert. That's a good one too. Also not a hollow. And a TV. That was a TV reporter. And they're reporting how trash I am at opening up packs. And how much trash I can bring in one pack opening. A Shuppet, a Trico, and a Last Chance Potion. Still not a single hollow or reverse hollow out of plenty of packs that already opened. Voltorb, a Kartana, Ultra Beast, not hollow, and a Huntail, and some trash. Unified Minds is up. Can we pull through on this and maybe get some good cards? Hopefully. An Axew, Finian, and a Lumineon, and some trash. The running joke, some trash. Fungus, Honedge, and energy, and some trash. So this is a frustrating open for everybody, including myself. Good thing I'm trying to make it as short as possible for you, because no one's going to want to watch all this. Oh, look at the little Pikachu. Look at him grabbing for all them flowers and shrooms and getting high off life. A Pidove and a Kamala. And some trash. Some trash. Oh, 2 packs at once. Holy moly, it's another fungus. An Arachnid. And a Lurantis. And some trash. We only got a couple more packs of these, but this is the one I had the most packs out of, so. A Salandit, a Riolo, and a Dragonair. This one's already open. That one already opened itself. A Karblast, a Honedge, and a Helmiz. Trash. Dilber. Slacker. And then energy. Well, I'm very sorry for this video. I've gotten absolutely nothing. Wasn't expecting anything, but geez, at least one reverse holo. Come on. Some cool cards if they were reverse holos. Last pack. Over 10 minutes. We're over 10 minutes. And guess what? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Look at this pile. Look at my pile of cards. All those, not a single freaking reverse holo. Look at them all. Look at them all. Please subscribe and like the video. Hopefully we can get some better openings coming in the future. That is a disappointing video. Disappointing for everybody. Thanks for watching. Like I said, please like and subscribe. Share it if you can. See how many people we could get to subscribe to the channel, you know? More support, the better. Check out all my trash. Look at all this. Look at all my trash. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. More pack openings to come. And hopefully some videos of Disney. Post during COVID. Disney during COVID. Here it comes. And I'll see you next time. I'll see you next time. Hey, guess what? I'll see you next time. Trash.